Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn dimensions annotations in NX CAD. Here we can see the different views of double bearing. From dimensions toolbar we can give the dimensions to our sketch. Like I will give dimension of this line. This is how you can give the dimensions. See, this is how you can give all the dimensions to your sketch. Okay, next is note. If you want to add note, click on note and here you can add note. Where you want, there click. This is how you can add a note to your sketch. Okay, then datum feature symbol. Click on datum feature symbol and select a datum. This is how you can give the datum feature symbol. Okay, balloon. Datum target also you can give like this. Then surface finish symbol. For this select a surface and give the values. Weld symbol. Where you want to add the weld symbol, click close. This is how you can give all the annotations to your drawing. Then part list. Click on part list. Here you can see this is how your part list will create. Then if you want auto ballooning, then click here and select the assembly. For sheet metal objects, here you can see the bend table. After clicking here, you can give the bend table. Okay, this is how you can give all the dimensions and annotations to your sketch. And for printing, press Ctrl P. This is the file location. Here your file will be saved. Okay, this is how you can give dimensions, annotations and print your drawing. Okay, thank you.